Nanubabo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
In this vlog, invited by the shops at Infinity, we're gonna visit their retail shops.
So dito yung mga activities na pwede yung gawin or mga shops na pwede yung puntahan maliban sa mga food. So tara, let's go!
Okay, so this is Bikezilla, and right now si Jan meron siyang hawak na
Argon 18.
Argon 18, guys. You're looking for branded bike as well as bike parts and accessories apparel. This is one place that you wanna check out, and again, this is in the shops, no?
Yes.
So ano yung mga items na
So meron tayo dito mga frames, mga saddle, shoes, apparels, and mga anything na pwede yung gamitin sa pagbabike.
Okay, so for our next stop, this is the Premier Petline. So it's a animal hospital.
Yes, so sa mga may mga alagang aso
Yes.
or mga other pets,
Uh-huh.
so in case na makailangan kayo ng pet
Yes.
care or pet health, so pwede sila dito.
So, tara, pasok tayo. Hello po.
Ganda ko, girl. Ten po. Expiration ako. Something na lang siya kasi kakalain.
Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Babymama. According to our orientation with people here, so it's a one-stop shop for moms as well as for babies. So starting at kapapanganak na up until around 5 years old, you can get your items here. Ginagamit sa breast pumps, which is very important right now, to diapers. Up until 5 years old, actually nakita pa akong mga toys dito. So yeah, again, this is available sa the shops at Infinity. Who would have thought the shops at Infinity is gonna be a one-stop shop. Hindi lang siya for, some gimmick and food. So meron din siyang ganitong tindahan dito. What a day, Mark! Grabe pala dito sa the shop. Not just a place for you to look for food, your outdoor lifestyle like the Bikezilla.
Yes, sa mga pets, yung pet hospital.
Pet hospital,
and
yes.
then for your babies.
A one-stop shop for mommy and babies and Babymama. For more information about the retail shop that you saw in this video, make sure to check out the shops. And if you're interested to list here, make sure to check out the numbers we're gonna be providing below.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out, guys. Bye.